somebody way up there.
Plug your ears. No.
All right, now let Evan have a turn.
It's still pretty loud, even if you plug your ears. We're not gonna move that, Daddy.
You don't want to do that?
I'm not gonna move that.
Okay. Oh, move that. Good.
Yeah, he did not do that.
So Gideon, how high up did they say that this thing goes?
It went 70 feet up in the air.
That thing went all the way up in there, 70 feet. That's crazy. All right, next. Let your. All right, let your brother in.
Sorry.
Hey, you guys want to see the next one?
Daddy?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Up here.
Well, we're gonna look at the streetlights next. What do you think, bud?
Can I do this with the gears? Because it's not on. The truck's not on. Evan, can I get in there?
Whoa!
Is it my turn?
What do you think, Lucy? New.
There's little thingies in the back.
What do you think, bud?
Daddy, this won't beep.
That one doesn't beep? How does it look like up there?
Yeah, it's because it's brand new.
Okay, give it a go. Hey, buddy. What's that? What do you think, bud?